Hello and welcome you once again in this new session of English literature. Today, once again, we are here for the copywork and the bookwork of your lesson number 6. So, now let's start with the question number 1. Describe Colonel Barclay. Colonel Barclay was a fine soldier and commanded a regiment. He and his wife Nancy had no children but were a happily married couple. Colonel Barclay had a violent temper and often became depressed. He disliked being left alone, especially after the dark. What signed to Henry Wood in India? Henry Wood was a fellow officer with Mrs. Barclay in India. They both loved Nancy, but Nancy showed preference for Henry Wood. In a fit of jealousy, Barclay betrayed Wood to the enemy, who tortured him to such an extent that he became crippled. Nancy thought that the Wood was dead, so she married Barclay. How did Holmes discover the third person? Disappearance of the door key from the room of Mr. and Mrs. Barclay made Holmes realize that a third person had been present in the room at the time of murder. Question number 4. With whom did Mrs. Barclay go out? Whom did they meet? Mrs. Barclay had gone out for a meeting with her friend Mrs. Morrison, and on the way she met a deformed man whom she had known in the past and had thought him to be long dead. This meeting shocked Mrs. Barclay. Who was Teddy? What did he How did he help Wood to earn a living? Teddy was a beautiful reddish brown mongoose that belonged to Woods. He had brought him back from India. He performed tricks with Teddy and thus earned a living. Now, let's move to the bookwork of this chapter. First one, the strange case was that of murder. Before her husband died, the Barclay had all are correct. First, second, and third. The maid witnessed. This is also correct. All three are correct. Fourth one is knock his brain out refers to hitting on the head and killing. Fifth one is to carry the burden of his guilt means to live with realization that you have done something wrong. Now, complete the giving sentence. Holmes invited Watson to join him on a strange case. Aldershot was the place where the tragedy had occurred. Mrs. Barclay went for a meeting with her friend and neighbor. The servants tried to open the door, but it did not open. The coachman tried to open the door. Now, true and false. Holmes deduced the third person had come into the Barclay's room. It is true. Mrs. Nancy Barclay was all alone when she met Henry Wood. No, it false. She was with Mrs. Morris. Mrs. Barclay was guilty of betraying Wood so that he could marry Nancy. It is true. Mrs. Barclay had a mongoose. False. It was Mr. Wood had a mongoose, and Mr. Barclay was not murdered. True. Now fill in the blanks with A and C or E and C. The first one is dependence, DENCE. Third one is persist. Second one tense, TENCE. Third is inheritance, TANCE. Abundance, DANCE. Attendance, DANCE. Resistance, TANCE. Inference, RENCE. Preference, RENCE. And repentance, TENCE. And deference is RENCE. Now you have to correct it. Mother hope, not hopes, hope. Then my father had. It is my father has come. I have written a letter. The train should have arrived. Have arrived. We will went for a movie tomorrow. We will go for a movie tomorrow. And I have lived. I have lived since 2002. The earth revolves. And 20 years ago my family lived in Kashmir. I did not go to school yesterday and I have just eaten a lunch. Fill in the blanks with the suitable articles. First one is A. A European by birth, he looks like an Indian. The priest spends a lot of time reading the Ramayana. The Quran is a holy book of the Muslim. This is the lady who lives next to my house. A river flows the side by the village of Punjab. The book kept on the chair is mine. The principal taught students who were weak in mathematics. We saw a man walking the road wearing a red shirt and a pair of jeans. So that's all for today's session. We will meet in our next session with a new topic. Till then, have a nice day and take care of your health.